What's up, world? Let me take you to sound check. We hopping out. It's Reddicini. He's tired. Why you throwing the lighter at me like that? Okay. Yeah.
Woo. Hey, you got the ketchup bottles.
What's this?
For crew for food.
This is where we eat food. Hi. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Bonjour.
Good day, mate. See you tomorrow. Time to go to sound check. Time to go to sound check.
Always look to the right.
Yeah.
Always look to the right.
I just saved you off once.
You gotta always look to the right in Brisbane. This is where we're performing at tomorrow. Sound check. Boo. Yup. It's nice and warm.
Actually, played baseball.
What's the name of this stadium?
RNA Showgrounds.
Nice. This is where we at tomorrow.
These will all be set up as bars. Would you record? Huh?
This is the stadium where we're performing tonight. Actually, we're performing tomorrow. There'll be 60,000 people here tomorrow.
What's up?
Scanners there? So this is totally different to Sydney. In the world.
Oh yeah.
Say it again to the camera.
In Sydney, you've got the best stadium in the world.
That's where
It's where the Olympics were.
Crazy. Crazy. See?
When we come through, from the change room,
We here. Who's the sound guy? This is where we at. Super fast!
yeah, so we have delivery.
Okay.
And then we'll have bars on the side, and we'll have people all the way to
Pretty big.
all the way sitting down.
She's a bad girl. Yup. Mark, you hold this so I can get in for a sec. What's up, bro? We can walk up here like.
Scanners around. We ran late. I called up Karen.
Can you hold this like this?
She was like, oh, it's like 50 years.
Yeah. On the wrist. You got the GoPro on the wrist. Yeah. Man City all day. You see what it is, man. We out here. We're gonna do our sound check. We in Brisbane. What's the name of the stadium? Something arena, something. But
RNA Showground.
okay, cool. Yeah, showgrounds. We're expecting around anywhere between 80,000 people tomorrow. So 80,000 people here tomorrow. You know, we're gonna shut it down. What can I say? Represent the city real tough. Block Stars, Kilowatt, Vendettas, Van City, your boy Heatwave. Yeah.